Hello beautiful people, welcome to Classic Confections. I'm your host Kendra, and today I'm going to show you my quick morning routine that I use on days when either I have to be on a Zoom call and I'm just like really not feeling it or also too on days when I'm going to be filming for YouTube. And as a busy like work from home mom to a toddler, I don't have a lot of time to get ready and like primp and pamper myself like I would like to. So these are just some tips that I use, especially on mornings when I've kind of gotten up early before the alarm clock. My face is all like puffy and I'm just not really feeling it. So I'm just going to share with you guys some tips along the way, show you what I do to get ready. And with that being said, let's get started.
Anytime I have to be fresh-faced, I like to do an eye mask. So I find ones with caffeine, like this green tea eye mask that I got from Amazon, work great.
Hey Siri, set timer for 15 minutes.
So while I'm letting my eye mask do its thing, I like to make myself a hazelnut Dunkin' Donuts latte. To be honest, pre-pandemic, I was not a coffee drinker, but I bought this Keurig and little milk frother, and I absolutely love it. After I make my coffee, I like to just sit on the couch and rest and think about my day, what I need to do, what I want to accomplish. I try not to check my phone or my email at that time and just really be in the moment. After I've had my coffee and taken off my eye patches, I wear this crazy looking mask. I keep this in the freezer. I've been using one of these since college, and it is so great at depuffing, even though it looks kind of scary. All right, so now that we're all depuffed, it's time to wash that face, and I like to go in with a little bit of First Aid Beauty Cleanser. First, got to clip those bangs out of the way. This is very gentle on the skin, and I like to use it with one of those electronic face brushes just to really get in there and get all the dirt and grime out. And then what I've switched from using, instead of a regular face cloth, I use disposable face wipes. These are by Clean Skin Club. For toner, I like to use Rose Water by Casual Massey, and of course my Chanel cotton wipes. Yeah, they're bougie and an indulgence, but I love them. And I also like to apply toner behind my ears and on my neck. I don't know why, I've just been doing it since high school. Next up is my Jade Roller. So I've been doing this for a few months and I really like it. I don't know if it reduces lines and wrinkles, but it definitely relaxes me and releases tension in your face. Next up is my vitamin C serum. I've really been liking the Truth Serum by Ole Henriksen, so I apply that. Followed by this light moisturizer, also by First Aid Beauty, just a dab will do ya. For makeup, I've just finished applying a little bit of Glossier Skin Tint, and now I'm doing some concealer using one of the trio sticks from Fenty Beauty, followed up by some CoverGirl concealer. I very rarely will do like a full face of foundation, so I find just a concealer under my eyes and in a few key areas is really all that I need. Next, I'm going in with a spoolie to fluff these brows that are out of control. Then I'm going in with Brow Flick from Glossier, followed up by a little bit of Glossier's Boy Brow to tame those suckers into place. Next up, I'm going to just do a little bit of blush. This is just a powder blush that I got from Sephora a while back. And after that, I'm going in with another Fenty Beauty trio stick. This one is in cinnamon, just for a bit of highlight on my nose and in my temple area. Keeping it simple with the makeup today, so instead of using eyeliner, I'm just going to go in with a very dark eyeshadow and apply it right at my lash line. And then here is where I took a bit of a risk. This is a bolder color than I would normally do for my quick makeup routine, but I wanted to have a fun look today, a little bit funky. And on that note, I'm applying a bit of NARS lipstick in the color Amsterdam with a little bit of shimmer gloss on top. Next, we gotta tackle this hair. So I like to spray my hair with water and aloe juice every morning, followed up by some Cantu leave-in conditioner. My hair gets super dry, soaks up product, so I really like to concentrate on the ends and in the middle of my hair. Now I'm going to brush it all into a ponytail, and you guys know I love those little hook bungee ponytail holders. Just a little bun on top, and then I'm breaking out my secret weapon, this drawstring ponytail. Yep, just plop this little afro puff right on top and you are good to go. I'm securing it with bobby pins, but you really don't have to, and then just kind of zhuzhing my curly bangs a little bit.
Ta-da! Yes, so this is the finished look, so not too bad. So from start to finish, I would say this takes me anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, and that includes me getting a solid 10 to 15 minutes of just like me time, when I can just sip and enjoy my coffee in peace. Don't talk to me, don't look at me, don't touch me. Like, I feel like that's probably the most crucial part, that and the eye masks. So yes, and when I'm gonna be on camera, whether it's Zoom or filming for YouTube, I like to wear like a fun top. So in this case, I just went with this turtleneck that I got from H&M, I believe. I love this top, and then like a bold earring. So in this case, I went with these Cult Gaia hoops that I recently got from Saks Fifth Avenue, and it's just like a fun little look. I might do another video like this on just how to get ready really quickly with a more conservative look, like if you have like business meetings back to back. But my clients know that I like to have fun with fashion, so they're kind of used to my looks and whatnot, and I would say they even look forward to them, I think. Yeah, or maybe I'm just being vain. But in any case, I hope that helped you guys. You know, this is like still crazy times that we're living in, and sometimes honestly I wake up and I'm just not feeling it that day. I'm also not a morning person by any stretch. Even during like normal times, I'm not a morning person. So I find that taking that time for myself in the morning, getting zhuzhed up, wearing something fun, doing my hair, doing my makeup, kind of like gets me, you know, pepped up and gets me amped up as much as I can be before noon. So in any case, I hope that this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I put out videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle weekly, sometimes twice. And as always, until next time, stay classy and stay fabulous.